What's going on, guys, and welcome back to episode number 3 of our Wolves franchise mode. Today is draft day. We are looking to score the number 1 and number 2 pick as we build our future for today, tomorrow, and the future. So we're going to be trading away some assets, trading away for some draft picks. I know we generally don't want to do that, but we got to get this done today. Today, the future is upon us. So we're going to go with Dermott and Rupe. And I'm going to have to add a few more draft picks here. Probably going to be giving away way too much for this, but look at that. It's worth it. It's worth it. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. We always manage to get it back. So your number 1 pick in the NHL draft. Me. And we got to go get our franchise goalie, the Dominator. Maybe it's his son. I don't know. Parenko and get rid of this draft picks. Probably overkill. Oof. That's right. It's worth it. I keep telling myself it's going to be worth it. So let's go grab Mr. Hasek from the Czech. And let's move on to round number 2. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Well, we've got to replace some defense. So we've got a AHL top 2 defenseman, high potential. And he's a 7th D high potential. Great. That's what I get. Let's see. We've got... We'll probably get another goalie. Build up the future goaltending for our franchise here. Round 4. I mean, Sergei Bobrovsky, elite. That couldn't possibly backfire, could it? Of course it does. Bottom 6, great. Let's see. All right. Why don't we go with a winger, I guess. Bear and Benjamin. Let's go Bear. Bear Seabrook. What a name. All right, and we'll finish this out with some defense. So we got Keane, Abisher, Gottfried. Why not? All right, top 2. And round number 7. We got Rude, Tarigny, Newell, Constantino. Come on, Billy. All right, NHL top 2. Okay. So that is the draft. Not a lot of movement, but we've got our 2 number 1 picks, or 2 first round picks signed on. Well, I'm going to get them signed on as we go to our contracts page. So let's see. We've got 12 players to sign. So let's go to these contracts and see what these peeps want. Let's go to the expiring first here. We got Gabe. Gabe is going to be a trading piece. So let's give him what he wants, because we'll use him down the line to get some assets. Get our defenseman locked up. Barry. Ryan Strome for center. Got a lot of combinations, so we can play around with this. Get Zingle. And a lot of cap space too, so obviously in 3 years we're going to have to rethink our cap space situation, because we'll have to re-sign our goalie and re-sign our franchise centerman. Let's see. Bobby wants a lot of money. I don't want to give him that, so maybe we'll do $2 million for 1 year. See if he'll take that. And Myers, Bluger will qualify all these guys. See if they'll just sign on. Forbert, I'll just add on. He can be a second, third defenseman. All these RFAs, we'll just qualify them. Come on, join the train. Siegenthaler, qualify. Allard, Brisebois. All right, so these guys are all qualified. Let's go to our goalies. So we got Lindgren. Lindgren will be our AHL. And then we'll have Rittich. He'll be our backup to Sir Hasek, as long as he signs. No reason why he shouldn't, so. Get our AHL backup. And get our forwards all signed here. Thank you. I don't want to sign them. But we could probably use the depth. So let's see. Let's get these guys at least taken care of. There we go. All right. And why not? Got a name like Bobrovsky. Better pan out. And then you, sir. There we go. All right, so let's see who wants to come play with us. We've got Forbert on board, DeBrusk, McCabe, Zingle, Landeskog, Barry, Johansson, Lindgren, Strome, and Bobby doesn't want to play. Okay, well, that's fine. Bobby can go take a hike. We got our 2 first-rounders. Got Billy, Ryan, Simon, Stanslov, Bear, Sergey. All right, so not bad. We got most of these guys signed on. Let's see, get a few more maybe before we go to free agency. Let's see what we got. Nothing here. Okay, so let's go back in, maybe lay out a few contracts for these guys. See if we can get some buy-in with some actual commitments to them. Got some young prospects that will get us to maybe they're prime here, so let's just get these guys all locked up, hopefully. And then we'll leave these guys here. Yeah, these guys, they sign, so let's advance. Heinen's on, Myers on, Bluger on, Donato on, Siegenthaler on, Hosang, Allard, Luff, and Brisebois. So we're good. We're in good shape. Look at that. Check out our goalie situation. I don't think Rittich never signed, so let's get Rittich signed. It's going to be a pricey backup, but everyone I think who plays this game knows how that works. Gonna have 2 solid backup, 2 solid goaltenders. So let's get to free agency. Here we go. So we gonna take a quick peek here. Nuge, Hoffman, Ovechkin. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. Let's see what we need first here. might help. Center. Could use another center. I mean, we're not terrible. We got two really solid first centers. Left wing isn't crazy. Right wing's pretty brutal. Need some wingers. Defenseman needs some work. That's our fault for trading him away, but goalie situation seems okay. AHL might be a little rough, but maybe we'll tack on a couple more just to beef it up a little bit. All right, and let's go spend some dough. Let's see what we can get. Let's go to wingers, since that was our biggest thing. So we're looking for young folk. We'll give a little bump in pay here. Mr. Kasha. Goddamn RFAs. All right, let's get UFAs so we can actually sign some people since we gave our world away. Pavel Buchnevich. We can sign on. Give him a extra couple of years here. A little bit more Mooney. Let me get 48.50. There we go. Let's see. We'll go Grabner. 32. Let's see, Richie, Kunakul, Sukla. I don't really like any of these guys. Nope. Let's see. Overall, Grabner might be our choice. Wayne Simmons here. But I like Grabner's speed, so let's see if we can maybe grab him for cheap. Give her 2 years, a little bit of extra money. Not a crazy amount. He's not asking a lot, so we've got to beef up our defenseman here a little bit. I don't want to go crazy and spend a ton of money, but we can go Martinez, Murray. Yeah, probably Martinez. Maybe Vatanen, too. Have a good middle of the pack there. So we'll do Martinez. Let's see what we got down here. Coburn, Cole, Stone, Enstrom, Miller. Oh, Lesyask. It's cheap. Well, we could probably just do this and, well, hope he signs first. And then build up our D through our draft. So, let's see. Check out. Ooh, do we do Ovi? I mean, how do you not do Ovi? We got the money to spend. Might as well. Give him a couple of years. Give him 8. Yeah, 82. 8.2. Good. And let's see these guys. Let's see if we can get them on board. Nope. Didn't do any of that. Always skip the trade blocks. Probably should have edited those. No, I don't want Atkinson, thank you. Because my luck, I'll end up screwing myself and I won't be able to get the players I just put money into. So let's see. All right, so Lesyask, Buchnevich, Martinez, Grabner, all on board. And here we go. Do we land the great one? Hey, there we go. All right. All right. So Sir Ovechkin is with us now. And let's go build up our AHL a little bit and tack on some more players here. We're just looking for young players under 25 years of age anyway. We'll start with some centers. Build up that center. Let's see. There we go. There's one. Stenlund. And this money is kind of like free play money at this point, so we got all our unrestricted signed. RFA is signed. So we'll just tack on a couple more and see what we can get out of this. So let's see what we got for Bolsters. See if we can grab him. 23, young. Let's go. Get back to you tomorrow. No, tell me right now. Marchment, Gabrick. I'll take Marchment to see if he'll sign. Wedden. And he was 27 years old. Whoops. Yep. 27. Great. Now let's do this 23-year-old. Just in case. The younger the better. The younger the better. Let's see. Korshkov. You have to give up a pick for that one, so that's free. Cheap money. Bapisti? No idea. We got Lantosi. Honestly, we don't pay too much attention to the AHL players when I play, but at least get them in there. Let them play a little bit. Build up this defenseman. Sometimes they'll come in and play some minutes if I get some injuries. So Riley Stillman. And I think that is Morin. We'll do Morin and then see what we can get. So let's get that contract in there and maybe tack. Oh yeah. Let's tack on a couple of goalies. Let's do that. So let's see if we can get maybe a couple of goalies for the AHL. Get them cycling around. Get some competition going. And we'll see what we can make of this. Nice 22-year-old. And here we go. Come play for the Wolves. No, I don't want to get rid of them. Nope. All right, fine, Bolsters. Go to Florida. Go ahead. I don't care. No Breeze. I'm gonna edit this. It pops up again. All right, Stenlund got one of our centermen. We got a left defense. And okay, go play somewhere else. No one cares. Bye. Greer, Marchment, Warner, McCussion, Morin, and Burden. All right, so we didn't get our young goalie. That's okay. We got all these guys. Nope. Okay, so we got a decent chunk. I'm not gonna go back and play with it. Let's just get to the season. Siegenthaler. Oh, is this gonna be the new one? Everybody wants Siegenthaler. Let's just delete him and Breezebot out here. And of course. Oh my god, no. I said no. And Stillman's our new guy, I guess. I do not want Rust. I think we're good. We're good. Just get through this. Manson. He would help our defense. Two second rounders for Manson. I get a fourth in return and Manson. Yeah, that's a no-brainer, I guess. With how I spend my picks, why not? We need the defense, so. Let's see. Get me to the Get me to the regular season. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, a little better late than never, Matthew. Let's see what we got. I feel like no matter what you do, they're always going to end up popping up, regardless. So, come on. Come on. There we go. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's take a look at our team. Got Ovechkin. Let's turn that on. Ovechkin. Me. Grabner. Buchnevich. Strome. Landeskog. Zingle. Donato. Brown. And we got DeBrusk, Heinen, and Johansson. So kind of the reuniting of the Bruins lines here for their fourth line. See our defense. Martinez, Manson, McCabe, Barry, Oleskiask, and Myers. Okay. And yeah, that should be fine for, let's see, goalies. Hasek, Rittich, Beauteous. We got Forbert and Bluger unreserved, just in case. And your captains for the Wolves, our franchise first overall pick, is yours truly and Sir Hasek. Check that, because sometimes they like to throw a different number on him instead of 39. So, yeah, guys. So here we go. We are going to go jump into our regular season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you back next Tuesday for episode number 4.